Hi everybody, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx.
And I'm Karen with Wiley X.
She's our Wiley X expert, and we are about to jump on the Wiley X double-decker bus from the Treasure Island Hotel to TopGolf. Because what are you guys gonna do, Karen?
We are launching our Captivate color contrasting lens technology, and we're having a pre-party.
Woo! Come with us. Nice glasses.
Oh, thanks.
Those are Wiley X's?
That's for the new model.
Those are Wiley X's. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. They're called the Boss.
Boss, right? What's up, baby?
Woo! Hello.
Hey.
How are you?
Good.
My name's Rob. I want you to test out our new lenses. Would you mind testing them out?
We can give it a go.
Would you mind doing it on camera?
Sure.
Let's go outside. Come on, come with me. Professional driver, you were wearing nice sunglasses, high-end polarized sunglasses before I saw you wearing them. We're not going to mention what brand, but they're very good glasses. And this is the new Wiley X lens. It's called Captivate. So it's contrast enhancing and polarized. And I want your honest reaction.
Wow. Those colors are great. These are nice.
Everything's like a little crisper, a little sharper.
The blues are a little bluer.
They match your shirt. Even that color matches your shirt. Okay, I think you should wear those for this drive and then give us honest feedback.
We can do that.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Somehow we were.
Look at the just like that.
All right, we're going into TopGolf with Wiley X. We are captivated. We are energized.
Enjoy yourself.
Hi.
Wiley X! Say Wiley X.
Wiley X. Wiley X.
Yeah!
Woo-hoo!
Say Wiley X.
Wiley X.
Say it.
Wiley X.
Yeah! WX! Wiley X! All right, everybody, I'm here with Mike. Professional driver here in Las Vegas on the Strip. That can't be an easy job.
What's up, guys? No, that's not.
You must really rely on your vision.
Wiley X has helped big time.
And you wearing
Big
the
time.
new Captivate lens, first test run. What do you think?
I love it.
Yeah?
Love it. Everything's crisper, sharper, much safer out here.
Okay, you wear those, sir.
Love it.
Enjoy those.
Thanks, guys.
Goodbye.
All right.
Remember what Bobbit said.
How do we don't? Robin said go stick to talking. You're better at that.
All right, first I want to say thanks everybody for coming today. I am super proud of the Captivate lens. 3 years plus of development. A lot of it had to do with the way we built the lens and the dyes that we're using in the lens to block certain wavelengths in the visual spectrum. I'm not going to get too geeked out into the full technology, but we will present you with a really deep dive. And I know some of you really kind of get up on checking out the technology, really understanding what we built here. We based this off of a study that was done in the 70s, actually, from a Dr. I talked about the visual spectrum and the certain wavelengths that you need to cut out in order for the eyes to not fatigue, to see colors more vibrant and brilliant. Feedback in through independent third-party labs that actually test this product. I love all of my products. I'm very proud of all of my products. I have an incredible team, incredible sales staff, amazing customer service, amazing directors, incredible senior senior marketing manager as well, that's made this possible. So I want to thank Leslie for having this program.
That was pretty rad.
Whoa! You are Terminator.
How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? It wasn't me.